Welcome back. In today's Health Matters, kids, they're soon going to get ready to go back to school. But before they go back to the classroom, you may want to get them ready with an appointment with a dentist. So this morning, we're joined with pediatric dentist Dr. Jeff Sue. That's joining us with a look at how parents can get kids back into a normal routine. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me back.
Yeah, of course. So, summertime, it's a great time for the kids. Sometimes it turns into a bit of a free-for-all. There isn't that strict schedule. Do you find that sometimes kids get out of the routine even when it comes to brushing their teeth?
Oh, absolutely. And I think the parents actually get out of the routine as well.
That's true. Yeah.
But yes, kids, it's important to have that normal routine, the hygiene, doing brushing, hopefully doing flossing twice a day. And going back to school is a perfect time to reset and just get kind of the protocols and the routine going again.
Oh yeah, so with kids, we were saying it's pretty much the same as the adults. Brushing twice a day if you can, flossing twice a day too. So you could get on a similar schedule with them. They can do it with you as you go.
Absolutely. But I do want to point out that it's important, especially for kids 7 and under, that you have parent supervision doing the brushing.
That's a good point.
And flossing, going to be possibly up until age 9.
They might need an extra hand just to really get into those crevices, would you say?
Yeah, and then, dexterity can be challenging for young children. Some parents can't floss their own teeth.
The motor skills, yeah, that makes sense. So if you're getting into the habit, or maybe you're letting kids be a little bit more independent, you're encouraging them to brush their teeth on their own. We have these beautiful set of pearly whites right here.
Yeah, absolutely.
This nice toothbrush. Sorry, I don't mean to make a mess here. But if you're telling your kids to brush their teeth, what should parents suggest? What should they, advise the kids on?
Yeah, absolutely. The simple thing is you want to do little circles around, so your brush is going in a circular motion. You want to point the bristles towards the gums so that you're getting not just the teeth, you're getting the gums as well. And you can make it a game. You show them, so the parent will show them, and then the kids can do it themselves. And hopefully by then you'll have effective cleaning habits.
You know what? That's a good reminder even for the parents too, because sometimes you're just in such a rush. But circles, and don't forget about the gums.
Absolutely.
And I really like this little doll that he has here. It's a dragon. It has full-on teeth, so you could get a little partner, and maybe the kids can practice on their dolls, and then they can try it out themselves. That's really good. Those are some great tips. What else would you want to share with parents that are just trying to help their kids?
Well, I think the first thing is making sure they have a dental home. And so,
yes.
Back to school is a perfect time to set that up, getting that appointment, making it with their dentist. If they don't have a dentist, I'm a member of the Dental Society, so Sacramento District Dental Society, which is also members of the California Dental Association. And we have screenings that are available to those that don't have dentists yet. But hopefully they can establish some care, get a home, they get the coaching that they need, and prevent some of the dental problems that could happen that could keep kids from being at school.
Yeah, or being comfortable in school, I can imagine. And then with children, it's the same thing. You want to go twice a year, almost every 6 months, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a coaching thing. If we can see how they're doing, give them pointers, encourage them to make sure that they're doing a good job.
Yeah. Let them have some fun with the toothbrush like this one right here. All right, well, thank you so much, Dr. Jeff, for joining us today and getting parents and kids excited about brushing their teeth. All right, Genevieve, let's check in here. Beautiful weather out there still today.
Absolutely, and we're on a